Greetings, Jayco Nation. We're so glad to have you with us today as we debut the new Hummingbird 10RK. My name is John Fisher. I'm the Senior Product Director for the White Hawk, J-Feather, Hummingbird, and the J-Sport camping trailer brands. Today we wanted to show you some of the features and benefits of this new 10RK. So the first thing I want to show you is the actual dimensions of the trailer, the length and the height. The highest point on this is your TV antenna, which is at about 8 inches. And from the ground to the top here, we're roughly about 80 inches. So we're, or 82 inches. So we're sitting about 90 inches, which is 7.5 feet at 100 and roughly about 13 feet. So 7.5 feet high, 13 feet long. One of the ultimate key features of this product is, number one, it'll fit in a garage if your garage doors are 8 feet or over, which is a standard garage door height. The second part of this is that it has a UVW of 1,500 pounds. So if the Jeep Wrangler crowd doesn't want to camp in a camping trailer, they have another alternative from Jayco to go out camping. So with the new Hummingbird 10RK, a few features. We'll start up front here. We got the Norco frame. A key Jayco commonality across our Jayco brands is the integrated A-frame. So where a lot of the competition tack weld under this front rail, we go through the front rail and then attach to the side rail. You always get a lot of bounce and torque in this area, especially a lightweight trailer like this, or you get into some rough terrain. You want to have a strong foundation, and you get that with the Norco frame. It comes standard with a power tongue jack. Got a nice little pigtail holder, little feature we added this year. Your 20-pound LP tank is standard. You can upgrade to a 30-pound. Dual battery rack, solar prep, so you can trickle charge the battery. And then also, as a new feature going into 2019, we have roof-mounted solar prep. So you can actually mount some solar panels up on the roof to go off the road. Okay, now we're on the side of the new 10RK. As you can see, we got a pack-and-play entry door, which will go into the inside. We'll show you here in a little bit. One of the key, very key commonalities that the Jayco towables have is we have the American-made Goodyear radial tires, nitro-filled. Have the highest speed and load ratings in the industry. On this product, Hummingbird and all other Jayco lightweights, we have self-adjusting electric brakes. So with those, you're always getting optimal brake performance. And we have it on a rubber torsion axle. So very good suspension on the foundation. One other cool feature with the Hummingbird 10RK is we have a little exterior storage area. As you can see, there's the exterior grill, which will store into that area, or if you want to put a porta potty in there, that will also fit. So you can have that, obviously with this small of a unit, you don't have that type of thing. All right, a couple key features with the exterior rear kitchen. You've got a nice strutted door. We've got a microwave standard. We've got a two-way, both 12-volt, 120-volt TV out here, which is a standard feature. We've also the same thing. It's a 12-volt, 120-volt refrigerator, so you can run it off the battery as well. Nice drawer for silverware things. This is that access panel for the grill, or if you don't want the grill or porta potty in there, you've got a nice storage area. And then we've got a sink in here, which is nice, where you've got basically a quick disconnect where you can put a spigot on it, or you can utilize it as an outside shower. And I'll tell you what, for such a small unit, you've got a spacious bed. This is a residential mattress, but we covered it with a teddy bear soft touch covering. So very soft, and we've got a lot of nice, neat amenities in this new Hummingbird 10RK. It has a standard fantastic fan, so you'll get some good ventilation and airflow through the coach. You also have a optional 8,000 BTU side mount air conditioner. So if you do live in the warmer areas, or you just like to be cooler at night, you can turn that on. We've also got plenty of cargo netting. We've got some cup holders for conveniences, a lot of storage. We got a couple overhead bins. You could put shoes, different things, and then a little bit of storage on the other side. And then you also do have a TV hookup, so if you want the interior TV as well. And then lastly, we've got a nice little cubby here, and you've got a USB for charging the phone. Stick that phone up in here, and you've got two 110 outlets on each side. So if it is a crappy day outside and you just don't feel, or you don't feel like being outside, you want to come in the coach and relax a little bit, but you don't want to lay down, one cool feature with this teddy bear mattress we've got a built-in hinge. And when you're laying here, again, it's very soft, but it does not impinge in any part of your body. But you can take this then and just slide it up into a sitting position. Again, dreary day, or you just don't want to be outside, or it's extremely hot, you want to chill out, you can sit in here, more like a sitting sofa, watch TV, just relax, read a book. So another neat feature of the new Hummingbird 10RK. Jayco Nation, thanks for watching today. We really appreciate it. You can get on our website at www.jayco.com to check out the new Hummingbird 10RK, any of the other Hummingbird towables, or any of the Jayco towables. All great products. And again, we just appreciate you. Have a great day.